Hey guys, this is Jono from Simple Cookery, and today I'm going to be showing you how to cook skin on, bone in chicken thighs. In my opinion, the most flavorful part of the chicken. I'm going to be showing you 3 simple steps to get crispy skin chicken thighs every time. So let's get into it. The first step to getting crispy skin chicken thighs every time is to get a paper towel and pat the skin until it's nice and dry. That applies to trying to get a nice crust when cooking any type of meat. You really want to make sure that the meat has no excess liquid when it goes into the pan. Once your chicken thighs are nice and dry, we're going to go in with our seasoning now. We're going to keep it really simple. First up, we're going to go in with some salt, then some cracked black pepper, and finally, my favorite spice that I use most often in my kitchen, paprika. And pat that down with our hands, and this chicken is pretty much prepared. We're gonna get cooking now, but before that, make sure you always wash your hands after handling chicken and use soap. That's very important. The second step to getting crispy skin chicken thighs is to start off by using a smoking hot pan. That's what's going to give it that really nice crust on the skin side. We're going to add a drizzle of oil into the pan, which will help the chicken caramelize and brown really nicely. Swirl it around and add in the chicken away from you on the skin side. That way the oil doesn't splatter towards you. We just leave it on the skin side for about 3 minutes and really let that skin caramelize and crispen up really nicely. You can also use your tongs and just press down the sides if they're not completely in contact with the pan. So after about 3 to 4 minutes on the skin side, I'm just going to flip these over and look at that golden crust. And if you just feel that chicken with the tongs, you can see that it's got a really nice crispy texture. And we're just going to cook the other side for another 3 minutes. When there's about a minute left on the stove, what I like to do is just add a clove of garlic in at the end. Get it in the oil and rub it around the chicken skin, and that's going to add a really beautiful aroma to your chicken thighs. Don't add this in at the beginning because the garlic will burn, so I just add it in near the end. And so the third and final step to getting crispy skin chicken thighs is to take the chicken off the stove and stick it in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius or about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're just going to leave it in the oven and let that cook through. After about 20 to 25 minutes, take the chicken out of the oven and let it rest for 3 to 5 minutes. That's really important because it's going to keep all those beautiful juices inside the chicken. And there we have our crispy skin chicken thighs. And just look at that gorgeous piece of meat. All right, chicken thighs. Are you just going to use your hands to eat?
No, you're going to feed it to me.
Because our bench is blocking the forks and the knives, so we can only use one.
Nah, we're just savages. Jono's just trying to hide the fact that we're savages.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Anyways, let's dig in. So chicken thighs. Chicken thighs. You want to rest it for a bit? Yeah. You want to use your hands and try it?
No, I don't want to use my hands.
Wait. Give me a sec. Let me cut my piece as well. We need to get a bit of a love bite. You know how Master Chef Kate Perry was like, you know, a bit of everything is a bit of a love bite. So, better get some chicken. And skin, cheers. Good?
That feels pretty good.
Yeah. It's actually pretty good. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. As always, give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. Smash that like button and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see the next episode. On Simple Cookery, we upload simple recipes and cooking techniques to help you guys get more confident in the kitchen. Anyways, guys, bye-bye.